All right, so the water's all boiled. And I just add it to the boiler through the skim tapping. There's a screen in here and it's a little slow. That's a drag. But otherwise, you just add boiled water to your boiler. Now I'm sure I mentioned this before, but I have a damp basement in the summer, so I have a dehumidifier, just a little one. But I save the condensate from it just for this purpose. So I got these, gallon jugs of distilled water from the dehumidifier, and I didn't used to boil them, but I checked and I realized that they will take a lot of air in the water, will take a lot of air into it, even if it's in a jug. So I don't want all that air coming in via the water. Yeah, there's air in the top of the boiler after every heating cycle, right? Of course. But whatever, I don't want to inject even more air via the water, so I boil it first, and I keep my water level pretty high. So it's a couple inches above the normal water line. And you can see the light pink color in there from the 8-way, right? To keep the pH high. So basically my current recipe is use distilled water. And you could buy it from the store. It's not that expensive, but I like to save it from my dehumidifier. So I save a few gallons from the summer and I use those in the winter. And I boil them just for good measure. Probably way overkill, but I don't care. And keep the pH a little higher between, I used to want to keep it even higher, but based on everything I've seen, anywhere from like 8 to 9, 8 to 10 is just fine. And you've got a Weil-McLain boiler, right? This experiment has gone to hell. Damn it, can't get this out of here. Hang on a sec. All right. If you got a Weil-McLain boiler, they warn you, don't go above 8.5 pH. Because of this, I ordered a Weil-McLain section gasket, or whatever they call it, and right now all the water evaporated out, but I've been soaking it in a high pH solution, probably around 13 pH, for months. And it's not the same as what it would be in the boiler. It's a lot less heat, but I keep it on my boiler, and I usually keep it soaked with water, so it's it's in a 12 or 13 pH solution. And I think that warning from Weil-McLain is just paranoia. I don't know why they think that their gaskets would decompose in anything higher than 8.5 pH. But if you really want to follow their rules, then just keep your pH at 8.5. The rust is almost nothing, right? I don't drain my boiler anymore. because it's nothing. Look, not any brown at all, right? I got a drain here. There was a little tiny bit of brown. Okay, but look, it was gone in a quarter cup or a cup or whatever. I don't know. So keep the pH up. I like distilled water because it doesn't add a bunch of minerals, which adds to scale in your boiler. You know, as you add water over the years and you lose it to steam loss or evaporation loss, it's going to leave behind the minerals. So the minerals are going to stack up, and that increases your need to flush, right? So if you're not adding all these minerals and you're not creating any rust to speak of, you don't need to flush the boiler. I don't flush it. Like, don't bother.